This next module is kind of a catch-all of all of the terms that I haven't covered yet, but that you really need to be familiar with before you even start to practice taking the exam. The terms you've already learned, defined, relate to the study of literature and poetry. But there's also more terms that are needed in order to understand critical thought around a work and in order to appreciate the work itself. So in this module, we're going to go over several units. The first, we're going to talk about allegory. The second, we'll talk about alliteration, or similar sounding sounds. In 3.3, we'll talk about allusion, or references to things in works. We'll talk about what antithesis means and where to find it in a novel. We'll talk about exaggeration, which more commonly in the literary world we call hyperbole. We'll also go over imagery, which we've talked a little bit about in the haiku, but we'll go a little bit more in depth here. Also, the difference between irony and dramatic irony. You probably are familiar with metaphor and simile, but I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how it directly relates to studying literature. And onomatopoeia, something you probably remember from grade school, but is really relevant in literature as well.